if they're like friends or something. Zachary, you're on the kitchen floor sleeping. You need to do the kitchen, dude. How long have you been sleeping here?
I'm not sleeping.
Zachary, you are so sleepy. You were snoring.
No, I'm not.
You just woke up.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
No, I didn't.
Zachary, you just woke
No,
up.
I didn't.
Stop getting mad.
I didn't.
But then what were you doing on the floor?
Do you know that you're on the floor in the kitchen right now?
No.
You were sleeping. You were passed out.
With you.
What?
What were you doing? Zachary. If you weren't sleeping, what were you doing?